Telegram SMS code problem or Telegram not receiving code SMS to log in. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is maybe Ben Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix your Telegram code error if you're not getting the SMS to log into your account. Now basically, if you open up Telegram, first what you need to do is you want to type in your country code correctly. I'll just search in, you can search in for your country as well, and then type in your phone number. Make sure that you typed in your phone number correctly, and then tap on next and tap on yes. Now once you do so, it'll send a code to your phone number. If you don't get the code, then you first want to make sure that you have entered in the phone number correctly. If your phone number is correct, then you'll get the code. If you don't get the code, at the bottom you can see you can request a voice call in 1 minute there, so you can wait for a couple of minutes, and if you don't get the code, you can request a phone call. However, if you're not being able to get it, now I'll just log into my account real quick. This number is the fake one because my account will get logged in right away because I'll get the code. Now you can see I've typed in the phone number correctly and I've got logged in because it was saved one. Now second thing what you can do is, if your account is logged in on other devices, then it means that you won't get the code on your phone number. Instead, you'll receive it on the device, on the account. If you open up here, you can see someone tried to log in before to my account, and someone asked for login code, and the code has been received here. Instead, it's not on my phone number, I'm getting it on the Telegram. So basically, if someone tries to log into your account, if your account is already logged into one device, then you'll get the code SMS in your Telegram account. So you want to go ahead and check if your account is logged into any of your devices, any other devices, and you want to go ahead and take the code from there. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.